All right, what we have here is a 2000 Land Rover Disco 2. This is just gonna be a short video. All I'm wanting to do is swap out my headlights. They were okay, but I want a little bit better. But I figured might as well do it. There's plenty of videos online, but it's a new project I just picked up here, and I plan on keeping it a while. So basically, I already did this one. So you just pop this cover off. Like that. Pop that off. You have to pop off the cover here. So I haven't done this side yet, so I'm only using my phone, so I'm gonna have to cut. But it's really simple. I'm also dealing with a window that's not going down, so I bought these online, and you literally are just gonna pop these things out. Got a little holder right here, just slips in there. One right there, and then you got one on the bottom. Just one hand. Let me set this down so I don't break something. Just needed two hands to get that. This one you can just screw, just twists and pulls out. And this one is in here pretty good. Let's see if I can do one hand. Ah, geez. All right, just pops out. And then you're just gonna remove this dust cover here. And then this little guy right here, you just can push this down and out. Whole thing flips over. Now I'm gonna put a glove on. All right, so once that clip is out, I put a glove on here because you really don't want to touch these bulbs. You don't want to get your finger grease on there. But these aren't bad. I just want brighter ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and save these, so that's why I'm not touching it. And goes like this. Oh geez, not even filming. Goes like this with this piece up. It can only fit in one way. Drops right in. Clip it in. I like to push this little piece over. Kind of holds it better. That's it. Boot just goes back on. And then you plug it in and snap it into place. Obviously don't want that covering that. Oh, I'll fix that. Don't want to cover where that other bulb's going. And that's it. Just gonna take it, clip it back in. I don't want to risk it with one hand. It's really simple. Clip it in and then push them in. Obviously very simple. This is a new project, so like and subscribe if you want to see more. I have a bunch more to do on this thing, so like and subscribe, and I'll make some more. Thanks. Well, I think they're brighter. I'll have to check the old footage.